Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add text to a photo in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get straight into it. Now first, let's say we are in photo tab right here. We selected the photos, but right here we don't have options. I think for adding text, we can try it right here. So let me find the text options here. So yeah, we don't have that luck to add text in photo tab. So for that, what we need to do is go to the edit tab right here, and you will see this timeline right here, which is probably known to you. Now here in the effects, we can start looking for a text. So let's go. I will choose one for example. And we can add this text now onto the photo. So let's drag a text into that like so. And as you can see now we have here the text. So yeah, we can choose from bunch of different options here. So it's pretty cool to use and play a little bit how it looks. And yeah, this is it. Here on the right side we can change uh, the name, basically the text. Then we can also change a font. We can adjust it, colors, and bunch of other things here in the right side. If you don't see that, just open the inspector right here at the top right corner. And this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.